Did you know Rome's most powerful family tried to murder 5 different popes using the most shocking methods imaginable? The most audacious attempt targeted Pope Alexander VI. Assassins poisoned a chalice of wine during Mass, but at the last second the Pope switched cups with someone else. The wrong person died instead. In 1484, hired killers from Naples tried to stab Pope Innocent VIII during a public ceremony. They failed when guards spotted their weapons. 1503 brought an elaborate plot against Pope Julius II. Enemies contaminated communion wafers with deadly poison, but the Pope grew suspicious and refused to eat them. The most personal attack came in 1517 when an Orsini cardinal tried to strangle Pope Leo X in his private bedroom. The Pope barely escaped alive, but the strangest attempt happened in 1527. Assassins released a rabid wolf into the Vatican during Easter Mass, hoping it would kill Pope Clement VII. Instead, the crazed animal attacked several cardinals before Swiss guards finally killed it. The Pope survived, but Rome's holy halls ran red with blood.